good, y'all boys, man? It's your boy Rory reporting back from 340, man. As y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, your boy we're getting a new mod for the whip, specifically for the front end, as it is super bland. I'm not gonna tell y'all yet, but just know it's on this car. If y'all can see, then y'all can see, but if y'all can't, then y'all will see later in the video. But right now I'm about to hop in, get it started up, and then go pick it up from my boy's crib, because that's where I got it delivered to. Because bro got the Amazon Prime, you know what I'm saying? I had to use that right quick, because who paying for shipping? But yeah, I'm gonna hop in this joint, start this joint up right quick. You know what I'm saying? We got the daily cold starts, even though I really don't upload daily. But I'm about to lock in, bro. Just chill. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I had the weekly uploads. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna miss a week, bro. But yeah, pretty dirty in the whip right now. Give y'all boys a cold start. Nothing too spectacular, bro. My car don't even be starting up loud for real. Some cold start activities, bro. Yeah, but my boy right here, my son Rush, man, make sure y'all tap in with my boy. We got another 340. We got two 340s on the block, man. This is a 340 crib. We would have a third one. Actually, it's another one at his house that we about to pull up on. That junk's actually slammed. I'm gonna show y'all when we get over there. So yeah, I'm gonna let my car warm up right quick, and I'm gonna hop back in with y'all boys in a second, man. All right, y'all boys, about to hop in and get out of here. My boys about to record some rollers for me, so y'all should be seeing that in this video. But yeah, about to be on the way to his crib. I might hop back in with y'all when we get on the highway or something, or if something crazy happens. I literally have no gas, bro, so we might have to get to the gas station after we get to his house. But yeah, he's about to record some rollers, so I'm gonna input that right after this, or I'm gonna hop back in with y'all in a second, man. Catch up boys in a second. This the other 340 I was talking about. This junk clean as hell. Another black one. Black 340. Slam, bro. Y'all see that fitment, bro? Bro, wait till I get my coilovers. But I'm telling you, bro, this junk so clean, bro. My son got the carbon mirror caps. He got Apexes. These are, he got the stock wheels on right now because it's wintertime. But bro, that junk on the ground. And he got the GTS hood. Oh my god, bro. Car's crazy. Yo, do you see this junk, bro? This car is nasty, bro. If it was clean right now, bro, it'd be like way better. But I think we about to start this joint up. Let y'all hear how this joint sound. He has like a full exhaust, bro. Like I think AWE full exhaust, bro. It's loud as hell. You got the tail lights as well. I want to get these tail lights, but I want to get the red ones. I don't know about the like the blackout ones or the clear. I don't know what they call it. But this junk tough. Oh nah, I might have to stain that joint. About to get y'all boys a cold start, man. Woo! About to wake up the whole block. Whole block about to be what?
You ready?
Go ahead. God damn!
That should say 92. It's cold as fuck. That's why you gotta check it.
What? Because it's cold?
The sensor.
Oh, it's sensor fried. I ain't even peep. That shit think this nigga in Florida. Nah, this junk clean though, bro. I gotta lower my junk, get some nice wheels, bro. This junk definitely fire. Look how low this junk is, bro. But yeah, man, we about to get to this installation. But here it is, man. This is what I've been talking about. These are like the I don't even know what they call it. I think V-brace. Is it the V-brace? It's like the thing that's in the front grille that you can put on. Because my car currently needs it because it looks hella bland in the front. No, it's not a front lip. If you thought at the start of the video it was a front lip, sadly mistaken, bro. I'm sorry. I did say this car had it because he does. He has it right there. It's unclean too, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta lower this joint. Lower this joint, get some T37. Right? Downpipe tune. But yeah, man, we got 340s. Oh man, what? This is the 340 crib. My junk trash. Nah, the silver look clean, bro. Tell me the silver don't look clean, bro. Y'all be lying. Y'all tell me the silver don't look clean. But we got a pop. I got the front mount intake, so you probably, it's no point in me putting the bar on this side. You can't even see it, bro. The intake long as hell. So I'm probably just gonna take this one off and put that one off. But yeah, man, we about to pop the grill off. I'm gonna catch up boys when we get this grill off. In a second, man. Alright, y'all boys, this ain't a tutorial video, but we about to grab this junk off. One pull.
Front bumper, God, what's that? You panicking. Hold on.
Two of them shits got fried.
I told you, nigga.
Nah, we sturdy. Only two of them got fried. We sturdy. You ain't fried none of your shit?
Hell yeah,
How
fried
many
so.
fried? Hold on, throw it on the clip. That shit's gone. I fried like 50 of them shits. Nah, don't worry though.
It's 3 in there.
We getting the
One
carbon
right here. One right
we
here.
good. We sturdy.
And one right here.
We getting the carbon one in a couple weeks. But damn.
That boy
Man, how
cooked.
much clips you frying, bro?
I don't even know. If you check my shit loose. My shit cooked.
Nah, cause I remember when we did the front mount, we just yanked them bitches out. We were sturdy, but it was warmer, bro. Like when it's cold, the clips get brittle. Unboxing, man. Front end, the whole front end about to change. Whole front end. Oh shit. I forgot to record IG reel.
Oh man. Shit, this nigga gotta do, man.
Boom, we got that joint on the whip, man. Let me know what y'all boys think, if y'all think that joint fire or not. We need a front lip. We gotta lower the front end a little bit, but me personally, I think it adds a little bit to the front. It's not as bland under there. You can see it. So yeah, man, that junk is pretty fire. Pretty fire, man. The whip's pretty fire. But yeah, now I'm not sure what we're about to get into. Probably go get some food. I haven't ate all day. Might take y'all boys with me, or wait till later to see what's going on later. I do have work in a little bit though. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all boys think. Did it really change the front end or not? I mean, I think it's noticeable. So, y'all boys let me know, man. Catch y'all boys when I figure something out. Boom. Bro, so you about to rev this jump. That boy trying to get fried. My ear's about to get cooked. And we in between the buildings, I'm cooked. Go ahead. Damn! Bro, that shit. Do that shit again, bro. Oh, hell nah. He trolling. That joke too loud. Hell nah. That joke way too loud, bro. This car crazy. This car loud as hell, bro.
Later that same evening.
Bro, I got my brother driving this shit, bro. This nigga wild. This nigga wild. You right, fry this shit. Oh, you paying for that shit. That long ass gear, bro. Golly. That's just, bro. Do a pull, bro. What's up with you, bro? Is there that dining mid pipe, bro? Bro, do a. You sturdy, bro. This nigga doing pulls in the Nissan. You can't do a pull.
That's the Nissan.
Damn.
That's Jeep.
Bro, you got tuned to 540, bro.
I'm out of 2 to 540, bro. Yo, can I drive?
Huh?
You get a spin?
Go ahead.
I'm out of 2 to 540.
My shit about to get stolen, Chad. We're about to get stolen. He ain't coming back. You make my shit, that's insurance claim. Nah, he's sturdy, bro. I think. Bro, that car feels slow to me now, bro. I swear, I'm used to it, bro. It feels slow. And that's on 93. I put E in it. It's way faster.
Oh, shit, yeah, bro. E, what's your games on E?
Right now, I think it's like, this shit might be 400. On E, I'm like probably 450 or higher than that. I'm planning on going big single, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Hell yeah.
It's hopefully this summer. I'm trying to buy all that shit while it's still cold outside. So
Then by summer you come out, bro.
Hell yeah.
Everybody's like, what the fuck? Yo, bro, definitely sweep our ass.
bro, yo, Russ, do a pull, bro. What's up with you, bro? Bro, not trying to do a pull. Do a pull for the camera, bro. Hurry up. Don't. Why you moving shaky, bro? Do a pull. I think I got my keys there. Oh, you about to do it? I bet. Oh, go ahead. Huh? I'm about to see if bro about. Yo, do the pull, bro. What's up? Oh, bro, about to do the pull. Finally. This nigga, bro. But he just gotta put on the down pipe, bro. That's all it is, bro. I don't know what he waiting on. What is I'm gonna go jet for the Man, everybody driving the whip, man. Nah, you straight. Damn. Hell yeah. It might be his mid pipe though, because it's basically the same exhaust, but you got a different mid pipe. Oh man. My boy about to slide this joint.
I told you, bro. Yeah, we have a chicken change. See, he said he can change it. Oh, this is slide. Oh, y'all ever tried it in y'all? Go ahead.
Hell nah. I'll be slide. I stood a couple.
We turned this shit in weird and that shit burned like fuck. Right here? Man, hold on, bro. Yo, wait.
Oh, my son about to slide this joint. Hold on. Yo. Huh? Hell no, I'm not doing that. Carabao, you fuck. You hear it? Clot. Transfer case done. That don't know name transfer case to pussy clot. Oh, the man I dealing with it so. Nigga, what the fuck? That shit, man, you got the manual 40. What the fuck?
Did you try to switch it?
Nah, the manual tough.
You gotta pay for that shit. Oh, you gotta pay every time you switch?
I ain't never seen a manual 40 in real life. I ain't gonna lie, this shit fire.
Oh, what the fuck that shit, bro? Hell nah.
What, the XHP?
Oh, Nate bought a follow. Nate would do that shit for real.
Bro, and when you tuning that shit, bro?
Some man may see just do it.
Oh, tu not tuning?
No, I have to wait till tax time charge.
Everybody got an all-wheel drive? Yeah. Everybody have an all-wheel
Slide your shit. Slide your shit.
Crazy as fuck.
What you mean?
I don't got enough power for that.
Enough power. We not have enough heart.
You gotta take me on a ride.
We not have enough heart for doing car like that to one buck.
That nigga.
She say, she say, I've been losing me to save you. What you doing, how you losing me, I hate you. If you knew how I come through, then you would stay cool. So can you save me now? I've been living far away up on the clouds. If I get my heart away, you hold it down for me. When I think about life, I think of ways that